Here and today we have an unboxing. I finally bought a new nail detector. I think I need the knife. It's a Bounty Hunter Lone Star Pro. I bought it off of Amazon for about $120. So let's pull out all the parts. Oh, okay, here we go. One part. I don't know what's getting stuck in here.
It's taped.
Oh, no, here it is.
It's taped to the side, Jake.
That's the coil.
It's still taped to the side.
Where do you see the tape? Oh. Yeah, I have an idea. I'm just gonna... No, never mind that. Fisher World Treasure News? Or okay. I don't know what that is. Let me put this closing. Okay, so manual. There's that. Okay. Is a coil. Pretty sure it's an 8-inch waterproof one, just like the one I had before this. Sweep from side to side. Okay. And here is the detector. Yeah, pretty much is identical, but it just digs deeper, or detects deeper. And so if you go ahead and see that. Here, let me just show you. Alright, so it, as you know, the normal knobs, and then you can choose the modes, and it kind of has, like, I guess it'll just have a little arrow to where it is. Like, it has 1 cent, 10 cent, 25 cent, 50 cent, 1 cent zinc, scrap, 5 cent nickel, and iron foil. You can plug in the headphones, and then it has your sensitivity and dis notch tab. So I'm gonna be right back and put it together. Alright, so it takes 2 9-volt batteries. It's kind of the same as the other one. You just have to pull this tab out, and then it connects the 2 wires. Okay, so we found these. They were connected. Here's the... I was kind of scraping it. I really don't know what it is. You can kind of see the design in it. The camera's not focusing on it. The camera's not focusing on it.
You know, you can't get enough light when it's that strong. Okay, do good.
And then there's this piece. See the metal right there? And this is off. No clue what it is. If you know what it is, leave a comment. And so the detector's doing pretty good. It told that it was zinc, both of these. So thanks for watching, and we'll do more Detecting New Jersey videos soon. And let's go Mets. Thanks for watching.